Hello everyone, my name is Murilo V Barros. I am a PhD student at the Federal University Technology Paraná, Ponta Grossa campus in Brazil. Today I will be presenting the article entitled Highlighting Circular Economy Aspects in the BRICS Countries in the 10th International Workshop on Advances in Cleaner Production. And here at the bottom is the list of authors for this article. Getting into context, the circular economy concept has been gaining attention worldwide, mainly with respect to the transition from a linear to a circular model. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa are considered the world's five main emerging economy, making the BRICS group. However, emerging countries, as in the case of BRICS, do not present an economic development as we can see in developed countries. Within this context, finding ways to solve the problems in developing countries is necessary to present their evolution faced the environmental and economic issues. Therefore, this research aims to identify what the circular economy practice adopted by the BRICS countries are. Now, going over the methods used to conduct this research, the bibliographic portfolio was built using the method PRONC. The set of keywords and combination used in the research was defined as shown in the slide, and we used the Web of Science, Science Direct, and Scopus database. In addition, keywords align with the theme and a series of filters to select the documents were used. Finally, the raw portfolio was reduced from 605 to 47 documents. Therefore, after applying the selection filters, the final portfolio was 747 articles. Now, on the results of our study, this figure shows the co-course terms following a timeline and was assessed by the VOS Viewer software tool. Circular economy practice seems to have been conducted in an array of fields, as it can be seen here, going from address a role of eco-industrial parks, mainly in China, since the last decade, to waste management practice more recently. Besides the subjects under discussion, one highlighting issues is to identify the most prolific authors involved on circular economy within the BRICS, as this figure shows. The size of each node represents the number of publications the author participate in. So here we see the circular economy practice we have found taking place at the BRICS. First, reuse and recycling are among the most recurrent circular economy practices in Brazil, including reuse of industrial waste and the creation of recycling centers. No studies from Russia were found in the final portfolio. Recycling is one of the main circular economy practices in India. Within the BRICS countries, China represents the great deal of research on circular economy. Recycling is the most common circular economy practice, and industrial symbiosis is the second most common. Finally, existing circular economy practices in South Africa include reuse, recycling, and waste prevention of composite materials. So, last, a few takeaways from our study are the motivation for the present study was given to the importance of circular economy in the current scenario of these emerging countries. The central problem considered consists in answering what the circular economy practices adopted by the BRICS are. The great highlighting is research in China, who already has public policy in place regarding circularity, favoring the dissemination of this practice in the last decade. It's expected that future study focus on a meta-analysis of the current in the present study address not only countries in the BRICS but worldwide context. So that is all. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Here is my email address, so you can reach out to me on if you want. Thank you again.